Have you ever heard a sound like this? A deep, vibrating noise that seems to come from nowhere. Some call it the hum. This phenomenon has been reported all over the world, from the UK and the US to Australia. But here's the strange part. Not everyone can hear it. For those who can, it's often described as a distant diesel engine or a relentless, droning buzz that pierces the ears. Scientists have tried to uncover its origin. Some theories suggest it's caused by low-frequency radio waves, geological activity, or even underground pipes leaking sound. But others believe the hum isn't from Earth at all. Instead, it could be a signal from another world, or even a secret experiment we're not supposed to know about. Some people who hear the hum say it's unbearable, causing insomnia, headaches, and even extreme stress. Some have even moved just to escape it. Yet to this day, its true source remains a mystery. The question is, have you ever heard it?